Dear friends, I have month-wise regional sales data. My task is to create a drop-down list of all months, and whenever I select any month, I should get the sum of the sales of that particular region from this table. We can achieve this using the named with indirect function. It's a very good trick. Definitely you will like it. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like the video and share it on your social websites. Let's begin with this trick. First of all, we will give the name to this range. So we will select all data related to the January. We will select and we'll come to the formula tab, click on the define name. It will take January automatically. Then we will assign the scope to the workbook and then we will click OK. In the same way, we will assign the name to the February. We will follow the same steps for all these months. We can see the all names and ranges. Come over here, click on the name manager. All name are coming over here. This is the values and this is the refer to the ranges and this is the scope. If we want to edit anyone, so select and click on the edit button, cancel this one and you can delete if you want. Now close this one. Now we will make the list of these months. So select the cell here, B16, come to the data, come to data validation, select the list option here, give the source range to all these months. Now press enter, click on the OK button and now select any month from the list. Now come over here. Now we will use sum function because we want to do the sum for January month. So the month will be selected from here. We will automatically get without giving the range in this formula. For achieving this, we will use indirect function. Indirect function is used to select the range or any cell indirectly. So now I will select reference here and then I'll close this one and I'll close bracket for sum, press enter. I got the sum for January. So you can see over here 2617 is coming over here. So now whenever you change any month from here, the sum of this range will come automatically. So by that way you can use the advanced technique of doing any calculation using the indirect function with named function. Hopefully you understand the concept. If you have any query, do comment. Subscribe our channel if you are new to it. Like the video, share on social networking websites. Thank you for watching our video. Please come back again.